What is going on, everybody? I have a great video for you guys today. I have had the best month so far in a very long time, maybe even ever, selling on eBay. This is, of course, for the month of March of 2021. I absolutely killed it, which you guys will end up seeing when I show you guys everything that I sold. But it has been a great month. The last 2 months, as you know, have been very slow and I've barely sold anything. What I did was put a bunch more stuff on eBay during the month of February to get prepared for March. I think I had about 75 items on there at one point. I'm not sure why this month was the best month yet, but right around this time, people are getting all their taxes back, so people have money to spend. And we got another stimulus check during this month. So I'm thinking between all that stuff, there was a lot of people that were buying car parts or buying things to fix their cars and stuff. I'm pretty sure most of these went to home addresses, so it's people buying stuff for themselves. I did send some to business addresses, which are usually shops that are fixing cars, but a lot of these went to home. So I'm thinking between tax season, getting the taxes back, and the stimulus check, some people were buying things to fix up their cars. The other thing is that now winter is over, so a lot of people wait till the end of winter, the beginning of spring, to clean up their cars and maybe do some maintenance and fix things up. So with all that said, it doesn't really matter why, but this has been the best month and I'm very excited to show you guys exactly how much I made. This monthly update video will be longer than the usual ones because I did sell 23 items. Usually I sell around 10. The last couple months was less than that. This month was 23. I was almost going to FedEx every other day to drop off packages. So it was a very busy month, but it was very awesome. So everything's been great and I'm going to list out everything now. Ford Fusion cruise control sensor, $125 plus $5 shipping. Toyota Tundra headlight, $200 plus $20 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 condenser mount, $125 plus $30 shipping. Chevy Silverado fuse box, $50 plus $10 shipping. Volvo XC90 front reinforcement, $115 plus $40 shipping. Hummer H3 ECM, $50 plus $10 shipping. Chevy Silverado ECM, $35 plus $10 shipping. Lincoln Navigator fog light, $75 plus $10 shipping. Volvo XC90 door mirror, $60 plus $10 shipping. Mini Cooper brake light, $40 plus $5 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 rear shock, $150 plus $20 shipping. Ford Fusion headlight, $600 plus $25 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 rocker molding, $100 plus $50 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 coolant tank, $45 plus $10 shipping. Acura MDX fog light, $125 plus $10 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 gas door, $75 with free shipping. Ford Super Duty headlight, $650 plus $35 shipping. BMW X5 grill, $40 plus $5 shipping. Jeep Cherokee headlight, $125 plus $20 shipping. BMW 3 Series headlight, $150 plus $25 shipping. GMC Terrain taillight, $60 plus $10 shipping. Volvo XC90 taillight, $75 plus $10 shipping. Ford Super Duty grill, $850 plus $40 shipping. So that's 23 items that I sold in March, which is pretty much double from what I usually do. So it was a much busier month. All of those items add up to $3,920. Obviously is way more than usual. There was $410 paid by the buyers for shipping. It cost $440 to ship everything out. So I lost $30 on the shipping, but that is pretty good for that amount. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. Minus the $400 of eBay fees, you end up with $3,490. So as you can see, I made over $3,000 this month, which is way more than usual. So I'm very happy. It comes out to about $170 an average item. So that is very high. That's pretty good. I sold 3 big items this month: the Ford Fusion headlight, this Ford Super Duty headlight, and the Ford Super Duty grill. Those 3 right there pretty much are more than I make every other month. So everything else added on just really put it all over the top. So as you can see, it's really awesome to sell a couple big items because it really brings all your profits right up. I had 3 items sell from my Volvo parts car for $250, and I sold 5 items from my Mercedes parts car for $495. So I made some good profit just from the parts cars. As you can tell, it was an awesome month all around. I sold things from the beginning of the month all the way to the end. I sold a couple things on the last day of March, one being the Ford Super Duty grill, which then, you know, obviously pushed this month way up. So that was awesome to see. I'm hoping I can continue this into April. Like I said, I'm not sure why this month was so good, but I did post more things on there to sell, and because of taxes and the stimulus, I do think that that helped people spend some more money. So I'm pretty sure I won't sell nearly this much next month in April, but you know, if I can just still average my usual amount, that would be good. Even though it's awesome to make all this money in one month, I'd actually rather have it spread out throughout the year and have every month be a better average. So I'm sure April will go down from this because this is a crazy amount for me. So I'm just very happy to show you guys that, you know, if you do have a lot of good parts and you list everything, you can sell a lot in each month. So I'd be interested in knowing if you guys have also sold a lot in the last month or so once everybody got their taxes and the stimulus money. So if you want to leave me a comment, let me know if you think your sales have gone up, because I know that this definitely has gone up. So let me know. I'm hoping I can continue this into April. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy hearing about what I've sold and how much I sold it for this month. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.